Hi, today I'm going to do a video to show you how to do a really quick lift a flap type activity that can be used for colours, for sensory, for pictures, for all sorts of things, using something that you've probably already got at home. You might recognise this. This is the lid off of a baby wipes container. A lot of the packets now come with these little flaps that you ping up to take the baby wipes out, so when you finish with the packet you can take these off, give them a good clean up and reuse them to do a lift the flap activity. So first thing that I've done is I've taken my piece of paper or card that I'm going to stick everything to, and I've actually, just using a pencil, just drawn around the inside to give myself a bit of a guideline. You can see there as to where I need to be sticking on whatever it is I'm going to stick on. Once I've done that, I've then either coloured it in or I've stuck something on it. I've then just taken my flap and using some glue, I just stick it over the top, and there you have it, and you have your little lifter flap with whatever under it. I'll show you some examples of what I've done. Here's one that I've done with colours. So underneath the flaps are all different colours. And this one, which I've actually just glued a bit of cardboard onto the back of the paper to make it a little bit more sturdy. I've got some little sensory beads in one, and I've got some scrunchy tissue paper in another, and some nice coloured foil in another. But you could put anything under these. You could put pictures of animals, you could put pictures of family, anything sensory. You could use cotton wool, you can use tin foil, all sorts of different beads, anything that will fit neatly underneath that flap, and they can close like that. So you can then use these for ready, steady, go. So you can use it for ready, steady, go. You can use it to help teach your child the action of a hinged lid. You can do it just so that they have some sort of sensory input. If you're doing colours and your child's at that point, you could do it to help name the colours. When you open it up, what colour's under there, or even matching colours. There's yellow. Can you find something yellow in front of you? You can use them for all sorts of things. So quite a handy little thing that you can do simply with an old flap off of some baby wipes.